Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video, samahan nyo akong sunduin natin yung kapatid ko, yung bunsong kapatid ko na nasa playground ngayon, sa Flying Squirrel, na-invite siya sa one of his classmates, his friend. So nandun sila ngayon, and also samahan nyo ako, experience mag-drive ng fully electric car na bagong kuha ni Mama. So it's my first time. I've been to one, as a passenger. And for driving it, this is my first time. So samahan niyo ako, guys. And for the meantime, mamaya pa naman natin yung susunduin, mga 7 PM. So laro muna tayo 2K. Then after that, let's see how it goes. And makapal-kapal yung snow sa labas. So hopefully it's gonna be, smooth ride. So yeah. Let's go, let's go! Make sure pag naglalaro kayo or like sa mga computer nyo, make sure meron kayong glasses para hindi masira yung mata nyo. You know what I'm saying? Protection lang ba? Para mag long last yung eyesights ninyo. So yun guys, pause muna natin yung laro. You know what I'm saying? Samahan nyo ako gumawa ng protein shake, kasi nagpa-protein shake na ako. You know what I'm saying? I wanna gain weight, para sa basketball, para consistent tayo, you know what I'm saying? And maganda pag, ready ka sa physicality. And I've been taking this for 2 weeks now. And this protein is performance, protein plus recovery. So after mo workout, may protein ka na, tapos meron pang recovery para sa katawan mo. So this is good, and it's vega, parang vegetarian protein ata. So this is my first time in my life na mag-take ng protein na ganito. So yeah, and si Ormi kasama ko neto bumili. So all I need is this, and then this. Walang tayo ng tubig, guys. And quote for this vlog na natutunan ko last year is, the most important thing is to improve yourself. Yun yung pinaka-importante talaga sa buhay. It's all about improving yourself. Tapos lagay natin ito. Parang yung strainer yan sa gitna. Tutunaw sa, Then we gotta shake. There you go. This protein drink. There you go. Alright? Simple. Easy. Nung una, parang naalangan pa ako sa lasa. Tapos nung tumagal na, sanay na din. So hi guys, ito yung i-drive test natin ngayon, you know what I'm saying? This is my first time driving an electric car. Yung bagong kuha ni Mama, you know what I'm saying? It's actually nice, all black, you know what I'm saying? And tinuruan ako ni Papa kung how this one operates, and kasama ko ngayon yung mga kapatid ko, si Romuel and si Kia. Bibili kami ng pizza ngayon, so yun. Alright, so this is the inside. Ito yung sa loob ng sasakyan. You see that? Parang Tesla talaga, you know what I'm saying? And everything is touchscreen. Everything is automatic. Tas may, ilalagay mo lang dito. May charger na. And it's just a push and roll button kapag magda-drive, reverse, neutral, or park ka. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, and the rest is just the same. And very, very modern style. And you see? Hi, Baba. Can you turn on the lights? Please. Yan yung sa likod. You know what I'm saying? So it's nice. So yeah, let's go. So yun guys, order muna tayo ng pizza and then we're gonna come back. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung kung saan ipa-plug in yung charger. So dito lang yung mga kapatid ko, ako na mag-order doon para mabilis. So yeah. As you guys can see, dito yung plug-in, pag mag-charge ka, you know what I'm saying? And hindi ko pa nakita in person yung, what is this called? Yung charger sa bahay, yung personal charger ng sasakyan na to. So this one called is Toyota BEV all-wheel drive. What is this? BZ? I think this is a new design ng Toyota. Look at this guys. Tingnan mo naman yung forma ng sasakyan na to. It's really nice, Wow. It looks like a business car and then at the same time, it's a family car. Modern car. It's very nice. So yeah, tatry natin i-test to, sa highway. Let's go, let's go. So yun guys, 15 minutes pa yung pizza natin, so we have time to test drive it sa highway. I know it's very stiff, madulas sa highway ngayon, but just gotta be slow and then let's try how it goes. So yeah, just push, reverse. You can see automatic reverse, and we make sure we check all the blind spots. And then push, balik sa neutral, and drive. Kita nyo, may na agad. May Google Maps na agad, automatic. This is a nice car. Tapos yung amoy niya sa loob, it's brand new. The smell of it is really brand new. Let's go. See guys, wala akong naririnig kundi hangin lang. You know what I'm saying? And nakalagay dyan, see? It's 81% right now, and ang maximum niya na kayang takbuhin is 257 kilometers. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, I don't know how is it far, but parang apat na go back and forth Hamilton to Niagara Falls. Parang apat na balikan. Papunta doon, balik dito, papunta doon, balik dito. Ganun ka layo pa yung maaabot niya. So it's 81%. And hindi ko pa alam yung mga other features nito. You know what I'm saying? For sure, pag nagkuha ka ng electric car, meron niyang parang class. Nakita ko kasi yung sa advertisement ng Tesla na parang may course kang kukunin. I think it's just a day, like a 1-hour course. Tuturuan ka nila like how the feature works, how everything works, kasi electric car is very different. So, maraming ibang features. So, yun. See, nandito na tayo sa highway guys. I'm hitting 100 km per hour, and parang wala lang. You know what I'm saying? Naririnig mo lang yung hangin. See? Ay, parang lumulutang na ako sa hangin ngayon. It's very nice, very comfy at the same time. explain ko na to, baka pwede na ako magiging car dealership. You know what I'm saying? Crazy. Kim, show the... How's it, Baba? Is it a good ride? So guys, ngayon pabalik na tayo, you know, kunin na natin yung pizza natin, you know, na test drive na natin yung sasakyan. For me, it's 9 out of 10. This car is really good. It's really nice, you know. It's modern, of course, because it's brand new, you know what I'm saying? So, hindi talaga, wala talagang sakit sa ulo to, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna give you peace of mind, but yung monthly mo lang, for sure. But if your things are within the budget, why not? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Very smooth. You like it, Baba?
Yeah.
Baba likes it. Sure. Kunin lang natin yung pizza natin. And, yun. Kalimin nyo. Ito yung kapal ng snow, guys. Nag-snowstorm kagabi. Tingnan mo si Kuya nasa gitna. Nai-enjoy niya yung snow. Hindi na naman tayo mag-park kasi parang masyadong madikit yung mga sasakyan doon. Tingnan mo, same car as Domino's. Ay hindi, iba pala to. Pero same body shape lang. Ito, Kia. Mga brand new din yung mga katabi natin, guys. Aray mo. So, look, as this, look. You know, hold the brake, push, neutral, and then press sport. Automatic. That's it. So guys, thank you sa panonood. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, sana may natutunan kayo, you know, like 1 or 2 from this video sa pagdating sa sasakyan, you know. So yeah, abangan niyo yung mga ibang ibang videos natin na paparating, and I think nag-i-enjoy ako mag-record pag nakatayo yung camera, you know, kasi maganda yung feature niya pag in-upload ko sa Facebook and then sa mga short reels ko, you know what I'm saying? And you asked me why I started vlog, because I enjoy, you know, editing and, you know, enjoy sharing some, you know, knowledge that I know, and sharing, you know, like some new experiences, you know, in life, whatever it is. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Yes, sir.